Alina Habba, who was once Donald Trump's personal lawyer, just got booted from her job as the top federal prosecutor in New Jersey. And it's not because of a dramatic scandal, but because, get this, her appointment was ruled unlawful by a federal appeals court. Let's break down what actually happened, because the details matter. In March 2025, President Trump picked Habba to serve a 120-day interim term as New Jersey's chief U.S. attorney. She was a familiar face from his legal battles, but here's the kicker. She'd never handled a criminal case before. Despite that, Trump wanted her in charge. But when it came time for the Senate confirmation, New Jersey's two Democratic senators, Cory Booker and Andy Kim, blocked her permanent appointment. So when Habba's interim term expired in July, federal judges stepped in and appointed a seasoned prosecutor, Desiree Lee Grace, to take over. Now, here's where things got weird. Attorney General Pam Bondi fired Grace almost immediately and tried a series of legal maneuvers to put Habba back in power. She made Habba a special attorney and then first assistant U.S. attorney, arguing that this meant Habba would automatically become acting U.S. attorney when the spot was vacant. Confusing? Yeah, it was. The Third Circuit Court of Appeals wasn't having it. On December 1, 2025, a panel of 3 judges, all from different political backgrounds, ruled unanimously that Habba's appointment broke the law. They said the administration's tactics tried to bypass a really important constitutional process. Presidential appointments need Senate approval. You can't just shuffle people around and hope nobody notices. This case started because some defendants facing federal charges, like Cesar Humberto Pina and Julian Girard Jr., challenged Habba's authority. And while their charges weren't dropped, the ruling could have ripple effects in other places where Trump tried similar moves, like Los Angeles or Las Vegas. And get this isn't even Habba's only legal setback this week. Just days earlier, a different appeals court upheld nearly $1 million in sanctions against her and Trump for filing what the judge called frivolous lawsuits against political rivals. Talk about a rough week. So what happens now? The Justice Department could appeal, maybe even take it to the Supreme Court. But for now, Habba's out, and the court sent a clear message. You can't cut corners on the law, no matter who you are. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button. I'm here to keep you in the loop. No nonsense. Just the facts. See you next time.